So guys, I want to be showing you guys how you can trade on Bybit, how you can trade derivative on Bybit. So I want to show you guys step by steps on how you can trade derivative on Bybit. So if this is the video I'm looking for and you are interested in this kind of video, please kindly subscribe, like this video and share if possible, so that YouTube can recommend this video to more persons. So go over to our Bybit without wasting time. So I'm here on Bybit and this is actually demo trading. So let's go to our live trading so that we can see. Before come back to demo trading, we're actually coming back to demo trading because we want to do a practical trade. I can't do it in my live trading. The reason being that if you want to enter trade on derivative, you have to do some analysis first. Do market analysis before you enter, so that you won't lose your money. That's if you prioritize your money. So when you come over here, you can see some things here, and as a beginner you may not know some of these things. You can see all these things here. Favorite means your favorite coin. Hot are coins like BTC, Ethereum, Solana, right? The first, I think Bybit is listing up to 100 coins. The first 100 coins in the listing or in ranking, so they are the ones you find in hot. Then when you come to new, this is where you find new coins that are just listed newly, or those coins that are about to be listed. If there's any coin that will be listed in the next 5 hours, you see it reading at the top here. You see it reading at the top here, but there's no coin for now. So we come to gainers. You see people that are gaining. See this real USDT. They are actually on gain. So you see this TRX. They are gaining. When it comes to news, I see people that are not gaining. People that are losing their money. So these are the losers. Then when you come over here, you see spot and derivative. You have to know the difference between spot and derivative trade. Now when you look at some of these coins, here, some of these coins, especially BTC, USDT and all of them here under derivative, you see that there is no demarcation between BTC and USDT. There is nothing like a slash, right? There's no stroke separating BTC and USDT. There's no slash separating BTC and USDT. So this is how you know that this coin is actually on derivative. So when you click on any of these coins, we are going to be trading on derivative. So check it alongside with this. When you click on spot, you are going to be seeing coins. See this major, there's a slash between major and USDT, which means this coin is on spot trading. So if you check this BTC again, you can see BTC slash USDT. When you click on any of it, you are going to be trading spot. So that's the major difference you can see between spots and derivative. So we are going to be trading derivative. Alright, so click on BTC. Let's see how the interface is. So you can see the way it is. We are still on chart. You can see the way the chart is. This is what we call chart. This is where you do your analysis before you begin to trade. Meanwhile, for the sake of this video, let's go to demo trading, because I want us to enter trade. I'm not going to be using my live trading to enter trade anyhow. So let's go to demo trading. So you click on more. You can see more here. You click on more in order to navigate to demo. Then you look for demo. You can see demo over here. Demo trading. Demo trading means demonstration trading. This is not a real trading. Just where you demonstrate, you check some things as a beginner before you begin to trade live, before you begin to use your real money to trade. So you click on demo. And then wait for it to load. We are here on demo and you can see all the coins listed. All these coins you are seeing are under spot. So you come to derivative, you can see the coins. So let's say you want to trade BTC USDT. So you have to click want to trade BTC USDT. So you have to click on BTC USDT. You click on it. Now you can see this is what we call chart. This is the chart. In this chart, you can see many candlesticks, and each of these candlesticks represent the time frame you are into. So I'm going to be showing you guys all these things one after the other. So when you take a look at this, you are going to be seeing some time listed. This is called time frame. Each candlestick represents the time frame that you put it into. For instance, since this is in 5 minutes, so each candlestick represents 5 minutes. This one represents 5 minutes. This candlestick represents 5 minutes. This candlestick represents 5 minutes. This one represents 5. All of them, each and every one of them represents for 5 minutes. So when you click on 1 hour, each candlestick represents 1 hour. When you click on 4 hours, each candlestick represents price action for 4 hours, every for 4 hours. So you come here, you can see some things. You can see 24 hours high. 24 hours high is the highest this coin has gone for the past 24 hours. 24 hours low is the highest, is the lowest rather. This coin has gone down for the past 24 hours. 24 hours turnover is the number of persons that have traded this coin for the past 24 hours. So if you have understand that, let's go to trade. You click on trade over here. So when you come to this trade, you are going to see the name of the coin that you are trading here. See it. Then I'm going to be explaining everything in this interface one after the other. So this is the coin we are trading with. This is the coin we are trading with. You see it here, BTC USD. This is the coin we are going to be trading, rather, BTC USDT. Then we are seeing something like isolate. So I'm going to show you some things under that. So let's click on this isolated rather. So when you are using isolated, it means that you are using some specific amount of money to trade. You are using some specific amount of money to trade. When you are using cross, you are not using a specific amount of money. You are using all the money that you have in your unified wallet to trade. In other words, as you are trading and losing, they are going to be making use of more money. Even as you are losing, you are going to make use of more money like that. So you just wake up in the morning and see that all your money has gone because you are using cross margin. So I advise you as a beginner to use isolated margin. You can see selected here. So when it comes to isolated margin, you can see available. Available signifies is showing the number of USDT that you are using to trade. So you can see market over here. So market, if you click on buy or on sell when this is on market, it means you are buying at the current market price. So you can still change this by clicking on this. You click on this sign here, so you can change it from market to limit. When you click on limit like this, you can enter your order price. What it means is that you don't want to buy this BTC, don't want to enter this trade at this current price. So you want to put the price you want to enter the market at, so that anytime this trade reach that price, your order will trigger for you. Whether you are online or you are offline, your order will trigger for you and you enter the trade. So you have condition and all of that. The two major things you need is this for now, is this market and limit. So let's make use of market and then we'll make use of limit for better understanding. So come to market, you click, then this order value is the number of USDT you want to use to trade. The number of USDT you want to use to trade. So you can use this to adjust it. You can see this is 25%, 50%, 75%, 100%. So I advise you to make use of 50% as a beginner. So there's something I forgot to tell you guys. You can see this is what we call leverage. So let's say for instance we are having just $10. This leverage will help you to trade as if you're having $100. You can see times 10, so 10 times 10 is 100. You can still adjust it. When you click on it, you make adjustments, so you can choose 100, right? But you can see what they said high leverage increases liquidity risk. Please adjust your leverage. So the more the leverage, the more it is easy for you to lose your money. So I advise people to always put their leverage at 10. If you are trading with $10, it will be as if you are trading with $100. So you leave it like that, click OK. No changes made, we know. So this is your leverage. And then after you have analyzed your trade on this chart, after you have analyzed your trade, maybe you want to buy or you want to sell. So don't mind this particular trade. Don't mind this particular trade here. I think I was just using to demonstrate something one time. I haven't forgotten. Remember, this is demo. So after you have analyzed your trade, maybe you want to buy, so, or you want to sell. Let's say in this case you want to sell. You can either sell is also called short. So you can say I sell or I short the market. So you click on short, then you click on confirm. You can see that the market have trigger. You can see it up there. So this is how to just enter trade. You see your position. Now this is how to enter trade. You can see we are already gaining here because we are on short. We shorted the market rather. So we are already gaining. So that's how to trade. That is just how to trade. But remember, you must do a thorough analysis. I think I forgot this. This is what we call order book. So this is people that have placed their orders, and this is where it is displayed. You can see the thing is not resting, it's just going up and down like that. So that's how people have been placing orders, and so on and so forth. So this is just an easy way on how you can place your trade. So we are not through. Before I continue, if you place your trade like this, now you are going to lose your money. If you just leave it like this, you may just wake up and find out that you have lost all your money. So before we continue, tap the subscription button. It's not going to cost you anything. Tap it now. Tap it now. Now. Then click on that like button. So if you have done that, let's continue. Let's now continue. So after you have entered your trade, this is very important. Set TP and SL. What's the meaning of TP? TP means take profit. SL means stop loss. So what these guys help you to do is that if your money is rising to a point, and maybe you are not online but your money have risen to a particular point, you can take your profit without even logging into your Bybit. Or maybe you are losing, just like you see this market now. That's why we say that crypto is too volatile. You can see this market that we are getting just now. We are already losing about 200 and something USDT. So let's say you are losing in this market and then you are not online. It can just trigger and say the thing is okay, now I've accepted that I've lost this amount of money. I don't want to continue losing, so I want to end this trade now. Whether you are online or not online, in as much as you set it, it will trigger by itself. So that is the use of it. So you click on it, click on set. So when you come here, you can see the way it is. Take profit. Here is where you put the amount or the exact price you want, where you want to take your profit from. So we entered at look here, you see market price. This is the current market price. This is the entry price. This is the price we entered, right? So we entered at 95,990 USDT. So we are going to take our profit. I think we short this market, Abby. We shorted. We are on short, so we sell. So we are going to our take profit will be below our entry price. So let's say we are taking profit at $90 US. So this cannot be I'm not sure if this BTC can ever go down to $90 again. So, but just as a tutorial, and then you want to stop your loss. Since we are shorting, we are going to, our stop loss is going to be above our entry price. What do I mean? I said, since we short this market, we sell, right? We predicted that this market is going to go down. That's what you mean. Since we are selling, our take profit will be below our entry price. But if to say we buy, that's we are predicting that this market will go up. If we are buying, our take profit will be above our entry price. Then our stop loss now, since we are shorting, will now be above our entry price. But if you are buying, our stop loss will be below our entry price. So this guy will be above our entry price. So I want to stop loss at let's say 99,000. That's 9,500. So you must ensure that your take profit is more than your stop loss. Take profit should be more than, you can see our take profit is 62%, our stop loss is 36%. Most times you have to make it your take profit should be twice your stop loss. It is better. So you click on confirm. When you click on this, this one is network issue. So when you click on confirm, it's supposed to confirm immediately. So you click on confirm and wait for it to confirm. It's network, so I'm still going back to it so that you see how it is being confirmed. So I'm still going back to it. You click on this and then you click on confirm. Confirm. So this network. So we are here on our take profit and stop loss. So you click on confirm after everything. It has confirmed already. Hope you can see it has confirmed already. So our take profit is like I said, if you are selling, your take profit should be below your entry price. Then your stop loss should be above your entry price. So we have confirmed this already. We have confirmed it already, and this is it. You can see it here. You can see it here. You can see it here. So this one in green is the take profit. This one in red is the stop loss. So that is just it on how to trade on derivative. So in my next video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do candlestick analysis, and again how to trade spots. Like this is bull run, so you need to buy coins and keep, so that once the coin begin to rise, you'll be able to make money. If you are interested in some of these videos I'm dropping over here, you are free to subscribe. It won't cost you money. Subscribe and be updated.